Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can charge other devices with Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to use your Samsung to charge other devices, we need to go to the settings first, then scroll down and go to battery. Now over here scroll down one more time and go to wireless power sharing. And we need to enable this option. However, before we do that, first we need to check the battery limit, because over here we can set how much percentage we need to have, or this is of course the least amount that we need to have of our battery in order to charge other devices. So if we reach, let's say, 30%, as it is set over here, then we will stop charging other devices. And of course we need to tap on the slider over here in the top right corner in order to enable the power sharing, and now we can see the text ready to charge. So now we can use our smartphone to charge other devices. Over here we can see the preview, the picture, how it should look like, and you need to simply follow these instructions in order to see what should you do. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.